been a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on.
What's up, everybody? Hey, check it out. We got another video. Guess what? Today's video, we are going to be discussing where are the used prices going to go from here. Now, a lot of people, obviously, gas prices are going up, inflation is going up, everything's costing more. Is that gonna make people spend less on buying stuff? I think it is. I think it's gonna play a factor. So, speaking of, I just picked up this 1998 Honda CR80. Now, we're looking at a low compression bike here. So, I am gonna try to see if I can find me a whole top end. If I can't, I believe this sleeve and the cylinder is pretty costly on this versus what I paid for this on this YZ80. Now, second thing, first option, if I can't find that and it's a little pricey, I'm going to buy a new piston. May look at the, actually I'm just gonna buy a piston kit, throw it in here, see what happens. But speaking of, obviously this is a used bike. My real question is when it comes to, say, the Yamaha TW200 or even these Pitster Pros or even this KLX250. Now, for a little while there, everything has been prime. So prime money. I mean, people are getting top dollars out of the TW200s. Now, is that going to continue? Or as new bikes start coming in, or say more people are spending less, is that going to cause the price to drop? Are we going to see a downshift in the used motorcycle prices? If you ask me, I think we're going to see these bikes sit on the classified ads a little longer than previously. It's just my opinion. We'll see. I know the housing market's kind of coming down, as with some other stuff. So my question, like I said, the point of this video, what are your thoughts? Are you seeing price drops where you are? Are you seeing, say, used TWs, used CR80s, used YZ80s? Are you seeing anything dropping in price? Comment down below. Let me know.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.